In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate through the Temu platform and check your available credit balance. This is a simple guide to getting you started, especially if you're looking to make the most out of your shopping experience on Temu without any hassle. First things first, we'll want to head over to Temu. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL temu.com. Alternatively, you can simply search for Temu in your Google search bar, and it should be the first result you see. This will bring you directly to Temu's homepage, which is packed with a vast array of products ranging from electronics to home goods and everything in between. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and maybe even note some of the special promotions or featured products on display. Once you're on the homepage, you can browse through the different categories or simply use the search bar if you have a specific product in mind. Once you find a product that piques your interest, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to the product's detailed page where you can see all the specifications, customer reviews, and pricing. It's always a good idea to browse through the reviews as they can offer a wealth of information about the product's quality and the experiences of other buyers. If the product meets your expectations and you decide you're ready to purchase, click on the Add to Cart button. Now, since we're focusing on checking your credit balance, let's move on to the checkout process. Navigate to the checkout page by clicking on your shopping cart icon, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on the checkout page, you'll have the opportunity to review your selected items. Make sure everything you've added is accurate and that you're satisfied with your selection. To the right, you should see different payment methods. Click on the option labeled Card. Selecting this will reveal your available credit balance on Temu. It's a convenient feature that allows you to manage and keep track of your spending, ensuring you do not exceed your budget. If you're new to Temu, you might want to explore other payment options or even look into potential credit offers that Temu might be providing. And that's it. You're now fully equipped with the knowledge of how to check your credit balance on Temu. This straightforward process not only saves time, but also keeps your shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. So go ahead and explore the vast selection Temu has to offer with confidence and enjoy shopping even more.